Hello again YouTube. In today's video we are going to install the rest of the Cyclops ADV Tuff light blinkers on the rear end, and including what I have for you is this thing, and I'm going to get a tail tidy on because this thing is absolutely huge and I need to save some weight, and this is my solution. This came from Uncle Wang with little LED inside. I'm not sure how it looks yet, but I will finally get rid of this stuff because I did everything except for the tail tidy, and most of the time that's the thing where you start. But I wanted to install the Cyclops ADV lights, including the tail tidy, all in one. So that's what I'm going to do today, and this video is more about the Cyclops Tuff light blinkers than a tail tidy. And someone is happy to be outside in the spring. Okay, in the process of installing these lights without the tail tidy is probably the same as what I am doing right now. The long-awaited upgrade, the tail tidy. I do not know how it works, but it can't be that hard. I see 4 screws, 2 on each side. 4 screws in total, 2 on each side, and then you have this. Nice. Okay, and this is off, and this is, well, the plate is still on, but this is quite heavy compared to this thingy. And this, yeah, that's another big weight saving here. And I think the bike looks sick like this, without a license plate. Real rally bike now. Well, this is the most easy thing ever. Okay, you have this little spacer that goes over there. Big spacer that goes in here. Same story. And you have this little bracket. Goes like that. Okay, the tail tidy is on, and now we can continue with installing the Cyclops ADV lights. Okay, and for that, as shown in the previous video, also you have these little posy tab thingies. For the rear end you have multiple wires, and one is the negative, one is the plus for the blinker, and you have probably the brake light and the tail running light. And the installation is as any other blinker, like that. Now get your nut, get your wire through the nut, and then tighten it, but don't twist. Do not guys twist this one. Hold it there with some tools and screw it together. Please go with your wires through your nuts. Alright, okay, and all these cables go in there. Okay, and once you have done all that, you have these wires coming out, and now I need to read the manual. The right side yellow to light blue, then we have the left side yellow to orange, black to green, yellow to orange, black to green, and then I have my tail light that is probably red to brown. Alright, if I am alright, I am alright, but if I am right, left turn signal, nice, right turn signal, and this one is working as well. Now onto the wiring of the running lights and the brake light. Secure all the wires, push them into each other. Okay, this is quite the annoying work, but you get the idea. Nice and tight and secure. And the next step to do is use the posy tabs, connect the red wire from the turn signals to the green white wire on the tail light. So the red one is going to the green yellow one, and the blue one is going to the brown one. You need to do some stuff with the posy tabs, these little thingies, easy peasy. And one goes to the brown wire and the other one goes to the green and yellow wire with a little pointy thingy in there. Into each other. Then you have a nice bundle of cables. Okay. The ultimate test. Here it is. Boom. Nice. Look at that nice smooth migration. How cool is that? Don't you think? And the number one reason why you need these lights is of course this. The flexibility. You cannot destroy these. Now I have to tighten everything and then we are almost finished. Here you have the new tail with tail tidy. The CFMoto 450MT. And I think it looks quite nice. And as you knew, I also have these at the front. A little bit different. Same features. You do get a flasher with it, but in Europe we all have LED blinkers, so they blink normally, and if they tend to go a little bit faster, then I'm going to install the flasher relay provided by Cyclops. And of course what we did, these blinkers with brake light and the smooth migration and the full flexibility of these awesome things. The tail tidy is on and the blinkers, the Cyclops 80V blinkers are on as well, now at the front and at the back. Car alarm at the front and at the back, and the tail tidy is done and I think it looks very nice. This was the missing piece for the overall look of the bike and the tail tidy is finally done. Yeah, it looks very nice. I will show it to you right now in the screen and I think it is awesome. So the final step, the final piece for this bike is an exhaust. These are the three exhausts that I like. The Black Widow hexa diagonal 300mm. It's from my old KTM. That will be a project maybe, yeah, welding it on our own. Then we have the HP Course Titanium, which I really like, which probably going to be mounted, I'm not sure yet. Or the Raid Garage Charon exhaust. Yeah, those are the three exhausts I really like. I'm not sure which to get for myself for the CFMoto project, but we'll see about that when I made a decision. Thank you guys for watching. I want to see you in the next video about the exhaust and I'm gonna shred it. I have now proper suspension, I'm gonna ride it.